G'day guys, how you going? Alright, so today we're going to harvest the corn, the sweet corn. Mum's going to be harvesting. So, sorry about the wind. It's always windy here in Chiltern. So here we go, we'll get into it.
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Pulling every bit off. Don't want to come off.
Yeah, I'm trying to get in a better angle. Whoops. So all we do is just push down. Oh, we'll try another one. That one. This way. Yeah, you just push them down and give them a slight twist and pull, and that's how they come off. Nice and easy. Alright. So Mum's just going through picking all of them out, and then later on we'll go through and later on we'll show you, once Mum's finished picking the corn, how much we got in the basket here. But while Mum's doing that, I'll take you for a bit of a walk around and show you what's going on around here. I'll try and make sure I don't trip over. Okay, so we'll start here with the heat. Has really knocked a lot of stuff around. It's been pretty hot here, but at the moment it's not too bad. So the tomatoes, the Roma tomatoes have struggled a bit with some heat, and some got burnt. But they're still going in, they're still getting quite a few. Rhubarb and the chard's doing really well. And the herbs, the sage and thyme, still doing well. There's Sheba. This garden here is pretty much done. It's all the marigolds are finished now because it's got too hot for them. So we're going to plant something else in there, most likely. All these beans, the snake beans, have done really well. We'll go around. We got the Jackby little pumpkin. They're doing nicely. Trying to get a good shot of them. Where's that leaf? There's a nice little one there. There's quite a few on here. There's 4 in a cluster just here. A couple more down here. Cute little pumpkins. And heaps more little ones coming. But these snake beans have done, there's mocha over there. These snake beans have done really well. Got lots hanging down off the archway. And the African horn cucumber has finally got some flowers cranking on it. So that's all. Can't wait for the fruit on them. They're nice. So that's really doing well. I just got to make sure I've got to keep an eye out for the bugs on that. Radishes, carrots still going. Even this round zucchini is still cranking along. Got to go over the other side here. We've got a couple of little ones going well in there. Hopefully that's getting it. And these are the sugar pie pumpkins growing along here. They're doing well. The okra's cranking along. We're letting it all go to seed to collect the seed off it. Mum and Dad weren't too keen on, well, I wasn't too keen on this one here. This variety was nice. I liked it fried. This is the butternut pumpkin, and that's doing really well. There's actually quite a, there's a little one there. Nice little one. And there's a bit bigger. You can see the leaves drooping from just from the heat. Another nice little one. There's a few coming on this, especially on the other side, but the cucumbers are pretty much finished now. We just left a couple more for seed, so we can have some more for next year and share some around and sell some. What else have we got? The Russian black tomato is cranking along really well as well. Got some fruit on it. Otherwise, not much is happening. It's just too hot. Oh, here's another. This is the Boston pickling cucumber. So again, we just leave them for seed. I just leave them on there to ripen up as much as I can, just to get the best quality of the seed there. Not much else really at the moment. Oh yes, we do. We've got one over here. We have this one, the tomato. That was the pink bumblebee. That didn't do too well this year. Maybe the heat. Also, I'll try it when it's a bit cooler. But we got the sugar baby watermelons. We've got a few fruit on these now, so they're doing well. So I'll swing it down and show you them. So they're going well. Couple of nice little watermelon. Another one up the back there. Hopefully you can see that. And another one. This one here is the biggest one so far. That's nice. Otherwise, yeah, that's it. We'll go back and see what Mum's up to with the corn. Alright. Cranking, digging some of them out. So these will mulch them up and use that back in the garden.
Not getting easy.
Yeah. Doing a good job. And mocha there. Alright. So, and we've got the sunflowers at the back here. These are the king sunflowers. So they're still going strong. Well, they've been in flower for a while now. I love my sunflowers, my favourite flower. So we get a good lot of seed out of them. And yeah. So what, you got anything to say about the garden at the moment?
Me?
Yeah.
Just that it's enjoyable getting the harvest now.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yep. Cool. Alright. So, have we got all the corn off yet?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. So,
Corn's off.
I'll show the basket full of corn then. You've already done a massive harvest too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Before. So this is the last harvest. So, oh, Mocha wants to cuddle. Yeah, so we've got a few there. And so, alright guys, we'll keep going with this. We've got a few things to do. And we'll, yeah, get into it. Actually, one thing before I go, I just want to ask for everyone's prayers for people affected by the wildfires here in Australia. I've got some friends over east, and they're probably friends of a couple of you guys as well. Lynn and Wayne, they're over in some of the area that's affected, so keep them in your prayers. A lot of other people over east in Victoria, New South Wales as well. So yeah, there's been some losses of life, so keep their families in your prayers. Yeah, and a lot of people have lost their homes, so and now got nowhere to stay. So please pray for them. Yeah, it's not good at all. These have been really bad. This is the worst I've seen fires in Australia. Anyway guys, so yeah, well, that's much appreciated, your prayers, and have a happy new year. It's New Year's Eve here today, so next time I talk to you, it'll be next year. So God bless you guys. Get going, get growing.